Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, Kushamdeed, Marhaba, welcome back to Fia Foods. In today's video we will be making minced curry, and for that you will need to use one large onion or two small sized onions. You'll also be needing 2 large tomatoes. Remove the stem from the potato and dice them into cubes. Also peel around 4 medium potatoes and cut them into cubes, bite-sized potato portions. In a wok or pan, heat around 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil and then add in your onions and cook it until caramelized. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Cook until caramelized. A kind request to please watch this video until the end. Please do not watch on speed, as it really helps my channel out if you watch the full video. And please give this video a huge thumbs up, like this video, comment, subscribe. Once the onions are caramelized, add around 3 to 4 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of chili paste, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add little water as required so that the onions do not burn. Then add in the tomatoes. Keep adding water as required and cook for 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon mixed spice, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon beef powder, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix well and cook for 3 minutes and add water if required so that the mixture does not burn. Here I added more white pepper just to give it a more tangier, spicier taste. Add 1 kg chicken mince. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or until the chicken mince turns whitish, which means that it's cooked. Boil water in another pot and add salt. Doing this is optional, but you can boil your potatoes till it's half cooked, which means that it's just soft, and this lessens the cooking time. Add 50 grams tomato paste into the mince mixture. Add around 1 cup or 1.5 cups of green frozen peas. Add in the half-boiled soft potatoes and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you so much for watching this video. In last, garnish with fresh dhania. Over here I've used frozen dhania, and I use this method just to make my dhania coriander last longer. If you watched the video until here, then please give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment so that it motivates me to cook more and to make more videos. And subscribe to my channel, join the YouTube family, and share this video with your friends and family.